look at how to save a jump rope to your phone. Go to your dashboard, find your published jump ropes, and tap the jump rope you want to save. Tap Save and Share Videos. This is the share screen. From here you can select the format that you want to save. We have options for IGTV, YouTube, still images for Pinterest, Facebook and Instagram stories, Facebook and Instagram feed, and more. So just tap the format that you want to save. Now tap Save, and be sure to keep the Jumprope app open while your video downloads. Your Jumprope export video is now saved in your Photos app on your phone, ready to share anywhere.